2015 Honda Pilot EXL navigation. Hi everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, autoramaauto.com. Let me walk you around this Honda Pilot. As you can see, alabaster silver, 8 passengers. Yep, that's 3 rows with 8 passengers. Heated leather interior, power seats on both sides, factory navigation, factory sunroof, alloy wheels. We're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. We're the ones that give you the 12-month, 12,000-mile powertrain warranty for free. It's good nationwide. You can upgrade it very reasonably. It's been inspected. Again, we got the black leather. It's heated. Big touchscreen. Got the tow package on it. 95,000 miles. Just a really nice, clean North Dakota Honda Pilot. Clear Carfax. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, or autoramaauto.com. Again, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.